Oh my god! It's just come off! Oh my god! Quick! 304, yeah. Oh my god! You're holding it in?
Oh my god, I'm thinking way out.
Gonna come in and sort that out, look. Oh, that's good, I'm glad he's appeared.
¿O pusieron ustedes hacer de comer?
No más.
Cambio ahora, sí.
Just cup of tea, yeah.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Bueno, esa sí se ve muy mejor.
Beans on toast today. Potato things are delicious. Look at these yummy cookies.
Almond cookie. Donuts.
These pastries. Oh, delicious. Ooh, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea now. Nice cup of tea. That's a good idea. Some ladies just got her own cups.
Okay. Oh, just one or two. Thank you. That's great. Thank you. It's my birthday. Yay! And I'm celebrating with a half-pint tankard cup of tea because I only got little cups, and to have it nicely like this, delicious. So today we're off to Costa Calma and we're going to check out the beaches down there, maybe go for a swim, do some shopping, so look forward to that. Check out the beaches at Costa Calma.
So just uploading the second video now, and we're in the second week. That's how bad the upload speeds are. We can barely upload anything. So I'm just going to have a snack while I wait for it. It seems to be the quickest. So I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye. Yummy. Chips are nice. Oh, thank you. Oh, guess how old I am.
Yeah.
How old? Don't say. Thanks, Em. Oh, lovely. Oh, compliments of the hotel. Woo, look. I got a birthday bottle of wine. Look at that.
Really?
Look.
Well, that's lovely of them.
How nice! Happy birthday! Viva la vida! Sol Hotels. And I got a white bottle. Oh, nice! Canals and Nubela Blanco. Look at that!
That's nice. That's good. That's really good.
I can hear the sounds of violins long before evidence. Well, we rested out you and me.
Yeah, well, actually, boing. And I've had a great time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.